Ready to run payroll for your team using Paychex Flex? Processing payroll accurately and on time is crucial for any business. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to process payroll efficiently in Paychex. To begin, log in to your Paychex Flex account. On your dashboard, you'll typically see a clear option to run payroll or process payroll. Click on this to start the payroll cycle. You'll then review your employees' hours, earnings, and deductions for the pay period. Make any necessary adjustments for overtime, bonuses, commissions, or changes in employee information. Paychex will usually show you a summary of the current payroll. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and are confident in the accuracy, submit the payroll for processing. Paychex will then handle the calculations, tax filings, and direct deposits. Always double-check your figures before final submission to avoid errors. And there you have it. Processing payroll in Paychex is a systematic task. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.